Akiaria thutha wa kuhingura kanitha mweru wa Crisco kaunti-ini ya Machakos, mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru wa Kenyatta augite hari bata a Kenya kuma miena yothe ya bururi kunyitanira niguo bururi uthereme wi hamwe.
Just like we need to ask ourselves as Kenyans, what can I do for my country? What can I do to make my nation better? What can I do to make my neighbor better? What can I do to build this great nation?
Uhuru akauga bururi uyu ni utanahirwo na maundu maingi mega na akoria andu othe manyitanire kurira wega ucio na kugacirithia uiguano na urumwe.
The one thing God gave us, He didn't give us gold, He didn't give us silver, He didn't give us, He's giving us a little bit of oil now, but the one thing He did give us was a great country, but most importantly, a great people.
Governor wa Machakos Alfred Mutua na kene oritie teti kunyitithania muingi handu ha kumagayukania. Mutua kaideni okau ne ahoete muhera kuri muingi handu-ini ha ateti aria arauga makoretwo makihunjia rumena na ngayukano.
Politicians who preach hate instead of love. Politicians who practice politics of poverty instead of politics of development. Please forgive us.
Ateti matiganite kuma mwena wa Ikamba-ini ni mekunyitanire na mutongoria wa bururi igongona-ini riu. Maina wa Wairegi, Inoro TV.